Where'd you go? I saw you. Look out! He's got a fridge! Oh, I missed! Missile! Dang it! Oh! 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 Get out of there! Come out and fight like a man. Ah, dang it! Come on out. Come on out! Respawn, boy. Fucking kill you again. Surprise! Not on my screen, you just hit a railing. Surprise! Heal. Whoa! You got memory, how to use your gravity. Oh! Oh my god, that was funny. Oh god, gravity, gravity, gravity! Oh! I killed you the one that you're sitting on. I saw you. I saw you. Nope. Too much. You're going third person? Are you trying to pick it up after I threw it? You gotta switch to your gravity gun. Oh, 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 I can't move. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Fridge! Hooah! 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 Oh no! You hit me! Oh no! Yes! Da 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 da! Oh crap! Spawn kill! Oh dang it! Wario! Spawn kill! Dang it! No! Spawn kill! Spawn kill! Oh, what? Oh, I killed you, the one in the ground! Just move. Oh! Too many fridges. Whoa! You like launch. Here, I'll move these over, man. You just gotta like strike them when they're piled. Oh god, I died. No! No! No, 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 no! No! I'm stuck! Oh, there we go. Yeah! Phew! Phew! Oh! What? Where'd you come from? Oh! Oh, you got smacked! Oh, what? No, you're a cheater. Ow! Did I get you? Okay.